We're a different university than we were even 30 years ago. I think everybody knows about our recent change in our Carnegie classification to dissertation moderate research university. Before we were a master's level university. I've been here 18 years and we have gone from 1 PhD program to 8. When you think about graduate programs, typically we think that there are the research focused ones. And at RIT, what I hear when I'm in these conversations, when we're thinking research, we're thinking doctoral only. But many of our master's level programs are research intensive. Then we have a portfolio of graduate programs that are more professional in nature, but even those programs have an aspect of inquiry through a research project, a capstone, some other experiential culmination of the degree that really tests the knowledge and what the student has learned in the process. Graduate fellowships are important, one, because they provide another funding source and opportunity for a student. Another wonderful benefit about them is they generally do not have to be used to pay down tuition. A student has a lot more flexibility as to what they can do with the funds that they get from a graduate fellowship. Having fellowships furthers our RIT's research agenda because most likely the donor has some passion or interest in a discipline or area of research that they're going to fund a fellowship to work in, for a student to work in this particular area, whatever it is.
So at RIT, I fell in love with the fact that it's very student-centric and that students are awarded all of the resources and support that they need to be successful. When I was awarded the GEM Fellowship, it enabled me to be able to choose any school that I wanted to go to pursue my master's degree. And I felt that it took cost completely out of the equation and I could solely focus on what the school had to offer and enabled me to fall in love with the school. So this fellowship allows me to work closely with faculty members in the Industrial Systems Engineering Department, and I personally work closely with Dr. Isan Rashedi in the Human Factors and Ergonomics Laboratory. We've been looking at different motion capturing systems to look at the kinematics and the movements of the human body. It was really giving me an opportunity to delve deep into that study, which is really interesting to me.
And when we talk about growing graduate enrollment, we need a balance of research-intensive programs like our PhDs where the students are funded mostly 100%, our master's level degrees where there's some discount, and then some of the professional degrees that may be funded by industry or government. So we need a good balance. And if we want to grow our graduate student population, that's one key resource that we will need is more student funding.